Hello friends, today I'll show you how to change the background color on Adobe Animate. This video only for beginner. If you have good experience then you can skip this video. So let's start and open the Adobe Animate software. This is the Adobe Animate interface. Okay, please make sure enable this properties window. If you don't see the property window, please click on Adobe window, then click on the properties, then you can see this window. So if you want to change the background color, I mean the stage color, this is the stage color. Okay, so you can go to the properties and go to the document settings, then you can see the stage. This is the under the document settings. Okay, then click here and you can select any color as you want. They are in lot of color. Also you can put the custom color code. Okay, then you can click here and it is there. Okay, thank you for the watching, and please comment if you face any problem, then I will reply as soon as possible. Thank you. Bye bye.